In this video, I will show you how to control when an approval step is finalized in your workflow using approval rules. So here we are inside of an example workflow, and all we have to do is grab the approval element on the left-hand side and drag it and drop it inside of our workflow just like so. Then we want to click on the approval element and then click on the gear icon to open up the settings on the right-hand side here. Now, the first thing we do is we choose possible outcomes, such as approve, deny. We can even add new outcomes if we want to and name those here. However, for this demonstration, we're going to stick with just approve and deny. Then just below that, you want to add the approvers by entering their email addresses here. Then underneath completion rule, you can choose how the approval step should be finalized. For example, you can select one response required, which completes the step as soon as a single approver makes the decision. You can also choose majority rules, where the step completes once the majority of the approvers respond with the same outcome. Another option is all approvers must respond, which requires every assigned approver to submit a decision before the workflow continues. And then last but not least, you can set a specific number of responses if you only need a certain number of approvals. And if you choose this option, you then will enter the amount of responses required before going to the next step. Now, all of these different options allows you to tailor the decision-making process for simple approvals or complex team reviews. And once you have everything configured the way that you want, up here at the top right, you can click on preview to go ahead and start a run to test your workflow and make sure everything is working. And that's it. Your workflow now follows the approval rule that best matches your organization's process. Thanks for watching, and explore more Jotform workflow features, and we'll see you in the next video.